Avalanche is finally here. Avax is obviously going to do tremendously well, and in this particular video I'm going to give you my Avalanche AVAX price prediction because this thing is absolutely amazing. I'm sure a lot of you are looking for cryptocurrencies that are going to give you like a 10x or even 100x. Best believe Avax in the long term, I'm talking about long term, 1 to 2 years, is obviously going to give you very good amount of profit. Take a look at this. The current price of Avalanche AVAX is $4.55. The market cap is only 111 million US dollars. Now this thing just released its mainnet, and I'm sure you have heard amazing stuff about Avalanche because this is the most progressive blockchain as of today. Now this one is adding a lot of new innovative stuff to the way different consensus mechanisms work. So basically, a while back, for a very long time, we had the Nakamoto consensus, right? And that particular consensus is very good, but it is limited. But Avalanche just takes it to another level. Of course, I'm not really going to get into details because I am mostly interested with regards to the price of Avax. So obviously, if you are looking for a price prediction, $100 Avax is definitely going to be possible. Look at that market cap. If this particular market cap goes to about 1 billion US dollars, right? That's like a 10x from now. And the price of Avalanche AVAX is obviously going to be $40. Okay, that's just going to 1 billion US dollars, and that is absolutely possible. This is definitely going to happen. And if you guys are looking for something that is obviously going to be very explosive in the next coming few weeks, months, or even years, take a look at this. Do a lot of research. Oh, by the way, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever you do, please do your own due diligence. And when I talk about cryptocurrencies, they usually tend to drop. So if that happens, I already warned you. But this thing is obviously going to be very explosive. Of course, we are also going to do a little bit of technical analysis, and I am super excited because I really believe this was the particular bottom, right? Like $3.46 was the absolute bottom, and I think from here it is obviously going to be, it's obviously going to be pumping. Of course, it depends on the stock market. If the stock market kinda crashes, then obviously everything is going to be affected. But obviously from this particular angle, this right over here was the recent low, and I think we can have like an explosive upside momentum. So anyhow, for those of you who really want to get like a brief background, right? So Avalanche is an open source platform for launching decentralized finance, DeFi, and obviously non-fungible tokens. And these are topics that are very, very, very popular with regards to cryptocurrencies, right? So obviously it is going to be able to take that DeFi sort of, area of value, and a lot of people are going to be gravitating towards it. So yeah, the Avalanche network confirms transactions in under 1 second, supports the entire Ethereum development kit, and enables millions of independent validators to participate as full block producers due to its unique architecture. Avalanche has 2 consensus engines at launch. There's Avalanche, which is the exciting consensus protocol that I really want you guys to research on, and there's also Snowman. So Avalanche is a DAG-optimized consensus protocol, high throughput, parallelizable, damn, that's some crazy word, and simple to prune. Snowman Consensus is a chain optimized consensus protocol, high throughput, totally ordered and optimized for smart contracts. So Avax, the native token of Avalanche, is used for peer-to-peer transaction, value transfer, staking, and security, pays for operations, computation, and storage, creation of new blockchains and sub networks. Now this one is going to be very different because now people have got the ability to create their own blockchain. Can you imagine, like, for example, the ERC tokens just kind of helps people to build their own cryptocurrencies on top of Ethereum, right? But this particular platform makes it possible for people to create their own blockchains and their own sub networks, and that is obviously very, very interesting. So I really want you to do a thorough research with regards to Avalanche as soon as possible, because you are obviously going to be amazed and mind boggled by obviously the team. And these guys have got like top notch team members out there. You know, these guys have been around, these guys have been doing crazy stuff way before Satoshi Nakamoto. Okay, so it's really explosive. Anyway, now let's get back to the charts, because I am a trader. I am here to trade and make money. So all that fundamental analysis, you guys can do it on your own. Now let's talk about money right now. So if you take a look at what was happening, right? So obviously when it got listed, right, when this particular chart belongs to Binance, right, Avax / Tether US. So when it got listed on Binance, it obviously dumped. And yesterday, which happens to be the 23rd of September, right? Today is obviously the 25th of September. So we obviously experienced this particular down right over here, and we started having like a new trend. Okay, initially we had this particular downtrend and it kind of got exhausted, and right now we are beginning to just start going up, and we've got like a lot of upside potential. Okay, so the people who are obviously looking forward to buying this particular cryptocurrency should look for various areas of value, and obviously getting to buy anything which is going to be, let's say, $4.20 all the way down to about $3.39 is obviously going to be like a very good buying area. Now this area is going to be very crucial. So I don't really know when you guys are going to be able to watch this and what the price is going to be, but I really bought and accumulated right around this area. This is the area where I really got to buy, so I'm actually in profit right now. And in case the stock markets don't really get to correct, we are obviously going to continue going to the upside. And if you guys are going to be investing for the long term, right, obviously it doesn't really matter. You can always dollar cost average. Okay, I'm going to be dollar cost averaging all the way down to about 90 cents or even 50 cents if it does drop that low. Okay, so to me it doesn't really matter, because it is a long-term type of bag. Of course, I'm going to be trading it back and forth here and there, but this is a good solid long-term type of investment, because it is just bringing something which has never ever been brought. This is like one of the most innovative things ever since Ethereum, ever since Bitcoin, ever since Ethereum. This is very explosive. I'm telling you, I kid you not. So this is one of the reasons why getting to buy Avalanche at around $4.55 and just dollar cost averaging it out if it is going to end up dumping. So I really want you to have like the worst case scenario pictured in your head, because this thing might end up going to about 50 cents or even 25 cents. Okay, so if that happens, just dollar cost average and just keep it for 2 years, and you guys are going to be thanking me. So I want to give a big shout out to all my consistent subscribers. We've been trading Uniswap. I'm sure you guys really made a lot of money, because I have been predicting all those trends like perfectly to the minute and to the dollar, you know. So that was something that I really enjoyed, and I'm bringing you another 10x potential right over here. Now this one is going to be very explosive, because we have never seen anything like this, and this is one of the reasons why I am super excited, and I would really urge people to like do their research on this particular cryptocurrency. So far I think the bulls have been released, the Kraken has been let out of its bag, and we are going to see some explosiveness. Okay, I'm targeting 1 billion market cap for me to like sort of exit and just offload some shares onto the market, because I really believe 111 million US dollars as this market cap valuation is extremely undervalued. Moreover, this is better than Ethereum. It's a direct competitor, and if you take a look at the market cap valuation of Ethereum, right, you are going to discover that Ethereum is around 36 billion US dollars or something, right? So that's what's the market cap valuation? It has got a market cap of about 38 billion US dollars. So if Avalanche can go into the top 10 alternative cryptocurrency list, right? That is obviously going to make us extremely wealthy, because that's like a long way up. So yeah, if we take a look at Avalanche, right, what rank does it have? Hold on, let me just check the rank of Avax. Okay, what am I doing? Hold on. This is what happens when you're doing stuff in a hurry. Okay, so it's on rank number 95. Okay, so dropping all the way down to the top 10 is going to take us about 85 points all the way to the downside. So that is obviously going to be like some good juicy profits. So I'm super excited. This one is definitely a money maker, but you have to remember the price might drop all the way down to about 25 cents. If the price is going to drop all the way down to 25 cents, it's going to be Christmas. It's going to be festive season, because I'm going to be buying this cryptocurrency because there's a lot that it has to offer. And I am super excited because for once I have an opportunity to enter, or rather get into, something that is just really launching, and it has got like the potential to take over the whole entire cryptocurrency market. Can you imagine if you were able to purchase Ethereum after its ICO? Can you imagine? Can you imagine the amount of crazy gains you would have made? You would have made like a lot of money. This thing is very innovative, very innovative. So anyhow, let me not say much. So my official price prediction in the next coming 1 to 2 years is obviously going to be $100 Avax. Okay, it's going to be $100 in the short term. I don't know, like in the next 6 months, we are definitely going to reach 1 billion market cap, and that's going to take us to approximately $40. So that's my 6 months Avalanche AVAX price prediction. When it comes to 2 years right from now, that's obviously more than $100. Mark this on your calendar, save this video, and I'm definitely going to be looking back at this particular video and just, get amazed on how accurate I was. All right, this is a very good, exciting opportunity, and as you can see, the bulls are beginning to push through, and they are obviously beginning to show their strength right now. So yeah, if we take a look at other indicators, right, let's switch over first of all to the 1 hourly. Yeah, the MACD is showing a bullish crossover right now, and the Kraken has been released. How high is it going to go? I have no idea, but I'm obviously going to be looking forward to taking some profit, like around $6 to $8, and then potentially get to buy back. So right now I'm just going to be holding it for the most part, but I'm just going to be doing some minor trades, provided Bitcoin and the stock markets do not end up crashing. Okay, but so far so good. The stock markets right now are a little bit stable, and Bitcoin is a little bit stable as well. So this weekend is going to be very explosive for Avalanche, and I don't really want to miss this particular opportunity. Remember, this is not financial advice. I do not care whether you buy it or not. That's none of my business. But all I'm trying to say is, do your own research. In case something bad happens, we might potentially drop to about 25 cents. Please do not blame me. If you make money, please do not blame me as well. So it can go either way. You can lose money or you can make money. Either ways, do not blame me. Congratulations to yourself for whatever outcome is going to happen with regards to Avalanche. So that's all I had for you. It's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10x. You guys have been so awesome. Smash this like, smash the likes on this particular video, and yeah, talk to you a little bit later. Now I'm getting carried away. Because you guys have been exposed to secret information. You guys have been exposed to secret information, and yeah, congratulations in advance. So I'm just going to be patient. 1 to 2 years from now, $100 Avalanche. You're welcome.